Good day everyone. So I'm going to present my training plan. Here is my training plan under the qualification of Cookery and C2. So first we have here respondent 1. So some of my respondents didn't indicate their names because for me it's also optional, so it's up on them. It's part of their privacy. Then I put here trainer and my name. I'm the trainer. Then nominal duration in basic competency, which is 1.2 hours. Then in common, 1.22 hours. Then core competency, which is 5.6 hours. So 1.2 hours is equals to 1 hour and 12 minutes, and 1.22 is equal to 1 hour and 13 minutes. Then 5.6 hours per core competency is equals to 5 hours and 36 minutes. So in first column we have trainees, training requirements, training activity task, mode of training, staffs, facilities, tool and equipment, venue, assessment method, then date and time. So I'll just discuss you um the first respondent. So first or her training needs is to participate in workplace communication, which is belong to basic competency. So that is the unit, and the learning outcomes is speak English at a basic operational level. So that is the training gap of respondent number 1. Then in training activities, I just get this training activities from the downloaded training regulation, which is assigned to us. So next, in mode of training, we have lecture, discussion, we have demonstrations. So in mode of training, we have a lot of different kinds of modes in teaching. So for me, I think we should teach first the learners on about theories like a prior discussion about the topic that we are going to discuss them. Then after that is the practice or the hands-on and practical assessment. Then in our staff we have Mr. Carlo R. Pantel, our instructor for this task. Then we have facilities and tools like classrooms, the facility, then equipment and tools is whiteboard, marker, audiovisual equipment like projector, TV, handouts, modules, and others. Then in venue, we have contextual learning laboratory classroom. So I have provided the training workshop for the qualification of Cookery and C2. So I provided there the contextual learning laboratory classroom, the practical work area, and many more areas. So in assessment method, we have direct observation, oral interview, and written test. So assessment is where we can test if the student really learned or they gain knowledge and ideas about the specific activity and task that we have made. So it can be through observations, interviews, or written tasks that we're going to provide them, or simple assessment. Then in date and time, we have the specific date, which is on October 11, 2025. So here I put 10 a.m. to 11:12 a.m. because in our basic competency, the nominal duration is only 1.2 hours. So I just put here like 10 to 12 a.m. or 1.2 hours. So that's it po. Thank you for listening. So it's just an example, but the other respondents is here, respondent 2, and up until respondent 10. Thank you.